Hello guys and welcome back to Hanspal's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making crispy and savory fried chicken. This dish can be served in two ways, either just fried or fried in sauce. Before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video for more new tasty recipes. Now let's get cooking. Here we have half kg chicken cut in thin strips. Add half cup of milk to this chicken and mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and add salt according to your taste. But here we have added 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of corn flour or all-purpose flour, and mix all the ingredients well. Cover it up and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. For best results, marinate it for at least 2 hours. The chicken is now marinated, so let's start frying. In a pan, take 1.5 cup of oil and warm it up. When the oil is warm, start adding marinated chicken and let it deep fry until it's golden brown. As you can see, the chicken is now fried, so we'll take the chicken out of the oil. Use a paper towel to soak up the extra oil of the chicken. If you want, you can eat this without the sauce, but if you want to learn the savory version of this chicken, then keep watching. Let's take a pan again and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is warm, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now add chopped garlic and stir fry them until they are golden. Next we are gonna add sliced chilies and fry them as well. Now let's add the sauces. Start with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, then 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, and finally 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Mix them well. Now let's add the fried chicken. Mix them well and stir fry them until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Finally, let's add the chopped coriander for garnishing. Your crispy and savory fried chicken is now ready. If you liked and enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you have any new recipe ideas, please don't forget to comment down below.